How to schedule an Instagram story. To use this feature, you need to have a business Instagram account linked to a Facebook page. If you don't have a business account yet, you can switch to one in Instagram settings. Now, open the Meta Business Suite app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in using the Facebook account linked to your Instagram business profile. Once inside the app, tap on Stories. You will see a plus sign to create a new story. Tap on it and choose an image or video from your gallery. You can also add text, stickers, or other Instagram story features just like you normally would. When you are ready, instead of posting immediately, tap on Schedule for later. Choose the date and time you want your story to be published, then tap Schedule. Your story will now be posted automatically at the selected time. This method allows you to plan and schedule Instagram stories in advance without needing any third-party software. Just make sure your Instagram account is linked to a Facebook page to access this free feature. That's how to schedule an Instagram story.